So where's the water coming from?
Earth. Hey, babe.
What?
You just turned down Bukaki Street.
Ooh.
You know what Bukaki means?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
Tell me.
Nope.
You know what the street in Bukaki, you know where it ends?
It's peacocky here.
Peacocky?
Peacock. In the throat?
That's... Handcuff. Why are we at the mall?
I think it's that way. Yeah, I think it's at the end.
Puka dog? At the mall? Anthony Bourdain ate here. Now Ray Romano's gonna eat here.
I don't give a I look like this.
MJ.
I got mango relish and mustard.
What'd I get?
You got coconut relish.
I probably shouldn't show you eating a hot dog. That's 2 6.
No, don't even bite the
That's 2 6.
There's a swan down there, and they said she doesn't have a mate, and every 3 years they try to bring her one, and then she beats them up. Maybe she just wants to be a lonely girl.
What's your problem, swan?
So, should we talk about the luau?
Yes, MJ, let's talk about the luau.
Okay, so first off, I thought a luau was a party on the beach with a bunch of half-naked chicks, fire, and booze. Like this. And all I got was a half-assed Moana story. I pre-gamed so hard, and I embarrassed all my friends. So, pretty typical Saturday night for me.
Well, the Drunkometer can help you folks follow along at home of when it got really bad.
Where are you?
We're gonna go to the luau. Your first one, and your first one, and your first one, and my second one.
Oh, Steve, you're not in that group. You're in our group.
Piggies.
You
I'm gonna eat some
decided.
piggies.
Is that babe?
It just falls apart. I was surfing too long.
Why would you go to the city, babe?
Oh, it's not Babe.
It's not babe?
Oh, it's Peppa.
It's Papa?
Peppa Pig.
Papa Pig. Why are we on stage?
We're gonna learn how to do the hula.
Look, I finally got laid. Hey, it's not chicken. No, it's not chicken.
I'm a chicken now.
It's not chicken.
Yeah.
It's pig. Are you guys gonna eat some of this chicken? What is it? A pig?
Pig.
Yeah. It's Babe in the City.
Oh, it's what?
Babe in the City.
Say that I won't be able to eat it. I'm gonna be like, oh.
It's Babe in the City. They're the third smartest animal. Peter.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
What do you think about Kauai?
All in style. Now, what we're going to do from our band
What's poi?
is we are going to do one more song by request.
It's a taro
Very
root.
popular song.
It's
I don't
related
think you've
to the
ever heard of
potato.
Hawaiian wedding song.
They smash
Very
it up.
popular by the late Elvis.
Is it possible Hawaiians think stupid things are fucking cool?
I didn't say it was cool.
Where are you? Wait, what's going on?
They're hula dancing.
Let's go to Steve. Steve! What's happening now?
Try the poi. That's all I'm going to say.
What'd you think of that?
Dustin approved.
What do you think of that?
It's good.
What would you do? Hey, so little Moana didn't even. That guy didn't even go through anything. Right?
They traveled on the sea.
They traveled the sea.
Yeah. They didn't know where they were going yet, searching for a new home.
This is a hard storyline to follow.
Yeah.
Hawaii
It's almost over.
sucks. Do it, Moana. Hey, babe. Babe. Don't do it, Moana.
She's dancing right now.
Don't do it, Moana.
It was good. It was a really good show.
Justin to me?
An entire show, the fire throw.
Justin, let's go.
I've been to a better one before. We've heard that Smith's is good on the island, so check that one out.
So what do you think, Steve?
Well, I believe it encompassed the minority's struggle into the other, the pathos of an unencumbered feminist shedding the patriarchy and escaping the male gaze of her forefathers, a cathartic journey never before expressed on stage and probably never again. I came.
I too liked it.
The Jungle Cruise?
Yeah.
Is that where we're on? Disneyland?
Yeah.
What are you gonna see on this boat?
More Raiders of the Lost Ark was filmed.
Shut up. Really?
Yeah, maybe some Jurassic Park.
Who?
We'll see. You want to see a dinosaur?
Is it a dinosaur?
Maybe you'll see T-Rex on the road.
Shut up.
What a wonderful day up here, what a wonderful day for fishing, okay? Ani, in the Hawaii.
Check it out.
They said we have to kiss it. Yeah? On my face? Kiss my face. Kiss my face. Alright. You have fun?
Yeah.
Did you learn anything? Hey, did you have fun?
I is having fun.
What?
Stop moving.
Squirmer.
Am I supposed to move?
No, I'm doing video now. But don't move out of focus. I'm doing Steve's video.
What's Steve's funny comment?
I think he still thinks I'm taking a picture.
Wait. Can I move?
You got anything else to say about this?
Nope.
You're done?
Yeah, hungry.
Has Steve moved yet?
Snack time.
I need a snack.
Oh, you moved.
So, what did we think of the Waialua boat tour?
I mean, we kissed.
It was interesting.
It sucked.
But my dad recommended it. He said it was fun.
Didn't mean it didn't suck.
Justin's right. Sorry, babe. It was terrible.
I hated every second of it!
Yo, it took years off my black ass!
Can I ask you a question?
What?
Are you ready to go on a Kauai bag trip? Take two. Are you guys ready? You look awesome.
Here, click me off. Huh? Click me off.
Push, kick, push, shove, spit.
that wife of mine. Oh, way back there.
I know, right?
Hey, babe! How'd you make it up here? I thought someone else was kissing me. Whoa.
Okay, so everybody, what did you think about the tubing day?
Honestly, it was my favorite day.
This was my favorite excursion of the whole trip. It was so much fun.
Had the time of my life.
I saw a lady die. Loretta.
Justin went ahead of us. He actually joined some senior citizens. One of the ladies tipped over
Died.
and
Died. So much blood. And pee.
she poo-poo too.
Wait, who's Loretta?
Hi.
We going home?
Yes.
Kababi.
I don't want to go home.
Is that for you?
For me?
Are you my soulmate?
Aww.
I mean, if Honey's not here, I guess.
Thanks.
Goodbye.
We just make a Coke commercial.
Do we get paid?